In the matter of Supreme Court Bar Association versus State of Uttar Pradesh, Supreme Court, as per rules framed in exercise of power conferred under Article 145 of the Constitution of India and for regulating practice and procedure of Supreme Court, directed that where the wakalatnama is executed in presence of advocate on record, he shall certify that it was executed in his presence. Where the advocate on record merely accepts the wakalatnama which is already duly executed in presence of notary or an advocate, he shall make an endorsement thereon that he has satisfied himself about due execution of wakalatnama. The advocate on record shall furnish details as required by appearance slip prescribed in form number 30 through the link provided on website as mentioned in notice dated 30th December 2022 issued by the Supreme Court. The respective court masters shall ensure to record appearances in the record of proceedings only of senior advocate AOR, advocate who are physically present and arguing in the court at the time of hearing the matter, and one advocate or AOR each for assistance in court to such arguing senior advocate, AOR, or advocate as the case may be as required in the note mentioned at foot of the said form number 30. And if there is any change in authorization of AOR or of senior advocate or arguing advocate by the concerned party after submission of appearance slip prescribed in form number 30, it shall be duty of concerned AOR to submit an appearance slip if fresh to the concerned courtmaster informing him about such change, and the concerned courtmaster shall record appearances of such advocates accordingly in the record of proceedings. A senior advocate shall not appear without an AOR in the Supreme Court. Court also noticed that in many cases, advocate on record would merely lend his or her name without any further participation in the proceedings of the case. The advocate on record would be seldom found present along with the senior advocate. The appearance slip in prescribed form number 30 would also not have been given showing the correct appearances. Court said we cannot resist ourselves from observing that every vakalatnama or memorandum of appearance filed in case by advocate on record carries a lot of responsibility and accountability. A right of an advocate to appear for a party and to practice in the court is coupled with the duty to remain present in the court at the time of the hearing and to participate and conduct the proceedings diligently, sincerely, honestly, and to the best of his ability. Rights and duties are two sides of the same coin and they are inherently connected with each other.